Hey Asha, I just wanted to check how my portfolio is doing. Okay, great. Do we need to make any changes to it? Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much, Asha. Bye.
What's up?
I've made up my mind. I want this car.
Don't you already have a car? Why do you need another car?
Bro, have you seen this car? Its road presence.
One sec. Have you done any kind of financial planning yet?
No, not yet.
You said you wanted a dream home and early retirement. Have you planned any of this, Joel?
No, I feel like it's a bit too early for all of this.
Joel, if you keep recklessly managing your finances like this, you're going to get into deep trouble. Have you at least taken a term or a health insurance?
No, bro, you're getting me all worried now.
Say, okay, chill.
I'll give you a number. Book an appointment in J2 right now. They're one of the best financial advisors in the country. They'll completely take it.
Son.
Call today at 9500 363787 to get your complete financial planning done.